So this is the newest project, 2017 Corvette C7 in black. Car's in decent shape, but it does have some micro swirling in the paint. As you can see here, this will all be removed during the paint correction phase and then finished up with polishing. See, there's quite a bit. Most of this is just from washing techniques, which we'll go over with the customer after it's ceramic coated, the new way to wash it to kind of minimize this damage from happening in the future. And just to give you an idea, we've started on the paint correction. So this side has not been done. You can definitely see there's still imperfections all through the surface. Kind of give you an idea. And then this area, we've started the correction, cutting out all of the scratches, and it'll leave a slight haze that we'll go back and polish out on the second go around. But you can see how all the swirly scratches are gone from the surface, and now it's just down to like an opaque look, and that'll be polished out again at the finish. So stay tuned for the results.